here, big guy. Come on.
Circle around, Brady. Circle around quick. Hurry up. Just get around him. Get back on the other side of him.
He almost got it off.
I know he did.
One more pull and I would have had it.
Oh,
You did a good job. We just got to do it one more time. Come on.
get up there. Get up there. Get up there.
This way. Slow down.
Slow down.
No, slow down.
Slow down. Slow down. Way down.
Can't let him get on shore. We won't let him get it off.
Yeah, and we won't. Yeah, not only won't. Just don't want him crawling in here either. Let's get it off.
Right. Keep coming.
Yep. Keep coming. Yes.
Gotcha.
Yeah, go. We saved our little bear.
Good job, buddy. Head for
Swim
shore.
happy.
What exciting.
This has been a night.